fra last round, laat dan warmen op. Je zet die spraak en hypo, dit is nog warmen op. I know je tjakken shit, laat daar een gooie bluff. Volgen lidt aan Divi, niet zo smag van tjane torre troef.
Guys, I ordered some new stuff for my car, exhaust tips, and fuck knows what, I don't remember. I think it's the antenna on the top. Bro, my car is so fucking dirty. By the way guys, I'm back in Belgium, if you guys didn't know. This might be the start of a new vlog. I'm going to the garage right now. I sold my tires, so I'm gonna go deliver them. As you guys can see, I got my tires in the whip. I mean, they're not my tires anymore. The reason why I'm selling these tires is because I ordered 21-inch rims. They will be coming within a week or two. So I'm selling these because they are 20-inch. So I ordered them. I ordered them before I ordered the rims. Yeah, and then I ordered the rims 21-inch because I thought my wheels that I have right now are gonna be dead. They are dead now, but I mean it's not worth to change all 4 tires when I'm gonna put it on a new set anyway. So what I'm doing is I'll probably get 2 rear tires, which are like somewhat at the same profile as my 2 front, because my 2 fronts are fine. They're not that bad. The reason why my 2 rears are dead is obviously because you do burnouts, you do drifting in private areas, obviously, where it's fully legal. So I'm gonna drop that off. I ordered some parts that I didn't show you guys yet. I ordered the antenna, and then I have carbon exhaust tips. They're quite big, but I think they will look nice. We'll just see how it fits and how they look. So anyway, we're on our way. I'm driving 125 kilometers an hour because I'm not trying to fuck my tires up, but they look alright for now. So yeah, that's the motive. After that, we're gonna probably go grab some tea somewhere, catch up with the boys that I was gone obviously for like 11 days. The guy who I'm dropping off my wheels is MK Customs. I'm also gonna speak to him about PPFing my car, maybe putting on a coating potentially. And I'm also gonna speak about there's a rally on 31st of May, which I will probably separately vlog as well, so you guys can see that. I will probably try my best to get most of the clips in because it's gonna be like a 2-hour rally in like the Belgium mountains. That will be quite nice. Anyways, I got like 40 minutes of a drive. I'm listening to the new Drake album. I haven't listened to it, so we'll see if it pops. If it doesn't, then it's a skill issue, but I heard very good things. Trading wise, didn't trade. We'll restart trading Monday. Also getting very back active in the mentorship as well. So it's gonna be lockout season. You guys will see way more vlogs, way more content, way more education from me. So it's gonna be good. Stay tuned for that obviously. Guys, Spider-Man, or what is it? I fucking forgot actually. I'm back on YouTube. I don't know if this camera is straight. I'm gonna show you guys the updates that I've done on my car. So I got this carbon front splitter. I had a carbon grill, but that low-key fell off, so that's low-key kind of sad. But the car is looking mean. I ordered yellow DRLs. They should be coming pretty soon. I ordered new rims. They should be coming pretty soon as well. I have my side skirts, but I think I messed them up, so I have to redo them. Then obviously these are my rims. This is the back of the car. As you can see, I got this carbon spoiler, this ducktail. Then I got this carbon diffuser. And then let me get to the interior. This is the interior of the car. I got a carbon steering wheel that's coming. It's actually not a full steering wheel. It's only the cover like this, and I will fit this probably tonight. I mean, I got black on black interior. Looks pretty solid. Actually, let me start the car anyway, because I have to go. So yeah, this is the car. You guys can follow my car page on IG as well if you really want to. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Look, the car is mad loud. Guys, we got the steering wheel sorted out. Shout out to MZ Performance, he did it for me. So now we have this Alcantara and carbon steering wheel. Everything works with it, like you can see. Right now I just dropped some things off and I'm about to head to Antwerp to link up with Ishar. Fazla ya. Guys, we're getting new rims. Guys, my new rims. My new fucking rims, G. Your turn. What do you think?
It's nice, fam. It's fucking nice.
Mala.
Shiny.
Guys, it's a mess here, but you guys know my car.
Aa neyse logoyu biz koysaydık bize.
Şey olmaz ya.
Anamız. Antrenörde duruyor mu? Ya antrenörde duruyor. Bundan biraz sola. Biraz daha oturun.
Guys, I'm here with my student. My rich student. Look at this guy. My student has a McLaren on a claim. Buy my course, guys. Guys, look, MZ Performance. He's my tuner. I introduced. Yeah, you are.
Tuner but lock ECU.
Guys, soon you will go stage 2, and I will show you guys the process because I will be slaving there with him together. I'm gonna show you guys the process. Guys, we're going to Bruno's to Sanderlo, so we can look at AFR tunings. AFR tunings R8. Guys, we need the McLaren. Guys, I'm here with AFR Tuning. It is the brand new Mashallah R8, the king of LARP. He's gonna lock in now. Go! Nee! Oh,
Ik dacht niet op wat er was.
Loki ging maar. Loki gaat die cap hè. 3, 2, 1, go! Normaal zo'n heel klein tunnel hier, ja. Ja, heel kleintje. Wacht hè. 3, 2, 1, go! Jawel, hè. Die voelt geweldig, ja.
You're getting fucked tonight.
Every car's getting fucked tonight. Wow.
BMW'lerden de korkuyorum.
gaat vis.
Kan die gewoon, kan die skik dan mensen.
Larp go around.
Was dat even die armen naar